the new BS6 Activa still worth buying in 2025? Let's find out in a quick real-world demo. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you my brand new Honda Activa 110cc BS6. Design, features, mileage expectations and a quick riding demo, all in simple terms.
First impression, Activa still look clean, classy and practical. No unnecessary sportiness, which is exactly why families trust it. Digital meter. This is light panel. This is menu panel. This is horn. This is start key. The build quality feels solid and typical Honda finish. So this is some tire information. So front, back. This is the seat. Let's have a quick feature. This is the side, right side. This Activa comes with 110cc BS6 engine, which is smoother and eco-friendly. Honda ESP technology helps better mileage and silent start. This is the back panel. This is seat with 6 seat cover. This is 100cc and stylish. Very good for daily use, family rides. The features really matters. Honda claims around 40 to 45 to 50 km per liter. In cities you can expect 45 km per liter with smooth riding. This is the start engine with seat. This is the seat. Seat opening is smooth and a good space which is having. You can keep your market things. This is the back side with fuel tank. This, if you click this, then fuel tank will be in the back side. It's open the fuel tank. Capacity is around 5 liter, which was not available in the earlier version, I think, in the back side. It is having a good looks and easy to start features. It's easy to start. And the digital meter having all the things. Here it is available, the fuel meter, timing, mileage, everything is there. Honda is not for racing but for comfort, balance and long life. Detail meter looks good. Time you can set. smooth riding. It is having low maintenance, good features. So for example, if you're riding and going to somewhere and you traffic, the stops in traffic signals is available. If you blink things and you just click brake and start, this auto start feature is available. So this attracts me more because a lot of times it is very difficult to start in the traffic and easy to pick up. So I think for this purpose and home purpose, market purpose, shopping purpose, if you go nearby space or